everyone, it's me, Alex, and Tiasha and I are here today in Tokyo, and we're about to get some hair makeovers! Yay! It is Saturday morning, 9:30 a.m. We're heading to Salon, Nalu, and I've just looked at the results, so now I know I have the power. I know your fate. I know what your hair is going to be.
Are you pleased?
I am pretty pastel pleased. Just screenshotted it, but no one's going to get to see until the end of the video. That's it. Are you ready? Are you excited?
Yes, I'm so excited.
Okay, cool. Let's head to Salon Nalu. Behind us right there is Salon Nalu. So we're in Omotesando right now. This is one station from Meiji Jingu or Harajuku on the Tokyo Metro line. It's only about a 2-minute walk from the station, so very, very easy to get to. This is an English-friendly hair salon, so everyone here speaks English, so it's great for foreigners if you want to get your hair done in Japan. So the other day I put up on my most recent YouTube video that Tiasha is going to get her hair dyed some sort of crazy color, and we weren't sure which one, so we asked you guys to vote and help us out. So I know the results of the poll and no one else does. I'm gonna go in and tell Stylist Natsumi what the results are, and Tiasha's not gonna know until the very end of the video.
And neither are you guys.
Neither are you guys. I'm also gonna get something done to my hair. Nothing crazy because I'm getting married in August, but I do think that I'll come back in a couple of months' time after my wedding and everything, and I might get something crazy done too, who knows. But Tiasha is the one that's going to have something crazy done that you guys decided.
I hope you guys picked well. I trusted you.
I have faith, that whatever it is, I know what it is. I have faith that it's going to look great. It's a little bit wild, a little bit crazy, and I'm very excited. So with that, let's head inside and see Stylist Natsumi.
I hope you guys chose well. My hair's terrible anyway. Who cares?
How are you feeling?
Excited.
Very
Not
excited?
even nervous, just excited.
Not even nervous.
I trust Natsumi.
So you remember, so these were the hairstyles that we chose.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll show you the results of the poll. So this is the one that this many people chose.
Okay.
And then the other colors were like these.
Okay, sure.
So a lot of people thought that one too. But we're going for this one.
Okay, sure.
Do you think we can do it?
Yeah. So this one is really right.
We know the color might not be exactly like the picture, guys, but it's going to be somewhat close. You aren't going to know which one it is until the very end. So I hope you're excited, because we really are.
So I'm gonna wash your hair first.
Happily. No. It was never my favorite.
We're about to test out a little something on me. Just a little something, you know, like I said, I don't want to change anything drastically for the wedding. If it's just a nice sort of subtle change, then we're gonna go for it. Okay, so we have a little bit of trimming action going on here, guys. If you could pray for a length, what would it be?
Maybe like, yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Is that the ideal length that you'd want?
Yeah.
Oh, interesting, okay. We've had a little bit of a trim so far. And I'm going off now to have my hair coloured a little bit, so you be good and you stay there and don't open your eyes, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. There's a lot of little small details in Japanese hair salons that we don't have in Australia. They put a little cover over your ears when you're getting your hair coloured, and when you have your hair washed, you have a little cover on your eyes as well. It's the little details that count. What's going on? Hello, Mum. I know you're watching this video. Please don't get angry with me. She said to me, don't change your hair before the wedding. Please don't get mad, Mum.
Look at that! Wow!
Oh my, that's a wig's worth of hair. Holy crap. Tiasha, that's more hair than I have on my head. Wow! Oh my goodness.
So I opened my eyes because I wanted to look at the length. That's okay. I'm so excited. I can't tell as of yet because there's a few options that had this length, so I'm really not sure.
Okay. Oh, this is bleaching. Yeah.
yourself?
Yeah.
Oh my god. You're professional as well.
Natsumi-san, how long have you been a hairdresser?
Hairdresser is almost 11 years.
11 years?
Yeah.
Wow. And do you love it? Do you love what you do?
Yeah,
you
I love it. Yeah. I can't do another job. And
Yeah.
just hairdresser is better for me. Before I worked in London.
Oh, the
Yeah.
city?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Cool.
I want to go back.
Something I've noticed is all the staff that work at Salon Nalu are very stylish. Everyone's dressed so nicely and everyone has beautiful hair.
So I was just asking Natsumi what volume bleach this is because I always use like a crazy Vol 40 at home, which is so dumb. And Natsumi said,
So 6% rate, and this rate is damageless rate.
Oh, damageless bleach.
Yeah.
Oh.
I've never heard of that either. Japan's got
Damageless bleach.
Yeah.
Only in Japan.
Bleaching is done.
Bleaching is done.
So we wait for 10 minutes and then the real game starts.
I look like a nun. So, this goes in before the hot iron, right? The iron. I don't know what it's called. Ion. What do you call it, Natsumi?
Ultrasonic iron.
Ultrasonic ion. So does this treatment go in first and then you do that? I'm really excited. So it's not to straighten your hair, but it's to make it like smooth and shiny, which is definitely what I need because my hair has not been very healthy for the longest time. I haven't cut it in many, many years. So after the wedding, we're going to do something extreme. But until then, maybe the ultrasonic ion can help. I have never seen this in Australia. I've never heard of a treatment like this before. I don't know if it's some sort of advanced Japanese technology or maybe Australia is just a little bit slow.
Straight iron, no heat.
No heat. Oh, no heat. What? Wow.
Just vibration.
Just vibration.
Yeah.
Really? Oh my goodness. Wow, look at that.
The vibration's making it evaporate.
That's so interesting. And is it wireless too? Wireless? There's no
wireless.
cord.
Wireless.
Wow. Is this from Japan?
Yeah.
From Japan. Wow. Hair Pro. Hair Pro. For hair medication. What witchcraft makes that work? Did you see? He put water on it and the water evaporated. I have never seen anything like that. Oh, I can hear it. What is the sound? It's making a small sound, like maybe a vibrating sound. Going, this is so interesting. So they're doing it with the treatment in. Is this a popular treatment?
In Nalu.
In Nalu, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. There you go, guys. You can get it here at Salon Nalu.
Oh, so this is like a Nalu special?
Not many other places have it.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so it's Japanese technology, right? Yeah. Wow. Yeah, so you're not going to find this back home.
We were wondering why no one in Japan had frizzy hair.
So once you've done this, how long do you think that the results last for?
Maybe 1 month.
A month, really?
Yeah, because so we're gonna give you home care treatment for you.
Oh, okay.
And normally.
Yeah.
And then so you have to put this home care treatment in once a week.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
And then
wow.
so this home care treatment, 4 pieces inside.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And then almost 1.
Okay,
And
so
then-
when someone comes to get this done here, do they always get the treatment to take home?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. My mum will be very pleased to hear that this isn't a straightening treatment. She would probably kill me if I came home with permanently straight hair. It's not a straightening treatment. It's like a for shine and defrizzing kind of thing, but not straightening. So it'll still have my nice natural curl, but it'll just look a lot smoother.
So guys, this machine over here is creating heat. What the hell? I've never seen one that moves like that. I'm so impressed with Japan.
Okay, what have we got now?
This one is scalp treatment.
Okay.
So I'm gonna put your hair and then more, I guess, fresh your scalp.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
great. Cool. Oh.
Okay.
That was cool. Wow, I didn't expect that. Oh,
Massage it a bit.
Oh, it feels so nice. What is that? Oh my gosh. It's like
Cool, right?
yeah, it's cooling. It feels like you know when you take a mint and you eat a mint, like a
Yeah,
fresh mint.
Yeah.
It's like that on my head. I'm getting tingles. It feels so good. Wow.
Are you getting a massage over there?
No one told me there were going to be massages involved. Heaven. Look at that! Wow! That's insane! You look like Draco Malfoy. You look like the love child of Draco and Kylie Jenner.
That's a good love child, so.
It came out better than I thought it would. It just depends on the strip of hair. Like each,
Is there one strip?
there's a cut. So this one has a really
Oh, yeah,
cool
that's
like Arctic blue kind of look.
Yeah.
And then this is like a very light greeny yellow. I've never seen your hair so light before.
Yeah.
Look what I have. Is she familiar? Oh my god.
Is it the right color?
All right, Tiasha, are you ready?
Yes.
You ready to have some colour put on? It's going to be a great surprise.
I'm ready!
Yeah, I'm not going to show what colour is going on, but this is what we're starting with, and the grand reveal will happen in a couple of minutes, so stay tuned. I can't believe how different it feels after that treatment. It feels like a different head of hair. Like running my fingers through it, it's really smooth and silky. Like, I've never felt my hair like this before. It's so cool. Fast Natsumi.
Yeah.
It takes me a long time to curl my hair. Many years of practice.
Yes.
It feels amazing. It actually feels lighter on my head.
Oh yeah.
Okay, that's stunning. We need to come back like right before your wedding for this trip.
Love it. Wow! Oh, it looks so lovely. Wow, it looks so much healthier. I love it. Thank you. Thank you so much. Wow, you know what? Forget about the hair dye treatment. Look at this. Look at the defrizzing. It looks so good. I have never seen my hair look this good, ever. It looks so healthy and smooth. Wow, I'm so impressed. It's hidden. Oh, you look so cute. You look like a shy guy.
Just need the mask.
Okay, Natsumi, you've done an amazing job. I'm so excited. So she's going to have a look now. What do you think? Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, I like it a lot. I think it's the best choice. I think everyone picked out of all of the colours, they picked the best one, and you did an incredible job. We love it so much, and I can't wait to see what she thinks. Okay. Thank you. All right, Tiasha. Okay. All right. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my god! I look so cute.
You too. You look amazing.
I look like a chubba chub.
Like a chubba chub.
Oh my god, Natsumi. It's like, it's such a Japanese haircut.
Yeah, it's amazing. It's so beautiful. You look so good.
Oh my god, I love it so much.
You love it?
I love it. I love it.
Thank you so much.
What do you think?
You did an amazing job, Natsumi. So pretty. It's so pretty. I love that it's like lighter at the bottom, and it's almost like this sort of greyish purpley. It's so nice.
This is so nice.
You did magic. I can't believe that it was blue before and now it's this. It's incredible.
Yeah, so hard work. But it's nice.
I'm so sorry. You did such very happy. You love it? I love it. Oh, thanks, Natsumi.
Okay, here we all are together. I have my lovely silky smooth hair with a little bit of red at the bottom. Nice ombre going on. We have pink and we have the wonderful Natsumi.
He's perfect as is.
Now,
But you're going purple tomorrow. I heard you say that.
Yeah.
Ooh.
She's getting purple hair tomorrow.
Oh really? Oh cool. So Natsumi, what's your Instagram account?
At number 76 _ Makino.
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 I will put it up on the screen, so don't forget to follow Natsumi and hair salon Nalu. And thank you so much for having us. This was amazing. We had so much fun. You look incredible, Tiasha.
I love it.
You're the star of the show.
Let us know what you think.
Yeah, guys, tell us in the comments below what you think.
You can only say nice things because it's beautiful.
It's beautiful. It's incredible. So thank you so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Mwah! Look at you. Yes, queen.
I feel so cute.
You look amazing.
And I smell like strawberries because of whatever they put in my hair.
Oh,
so it's
so